Amtico Click Smart. Style that simply fits. Introducing Amtico Click Smart, a revolutionary adhesive-free LVT flooring product that's versatile, strong, and easy to fit. This new generation flooring is cleverly integrated with underlay, so there is no separate application, making it less time-consuming. Unlike other Click products, Amtico Click Smart has a robust locking mechanism, making it quicker and easier to install than alternative LVTs. Enhanced with the latest rigid core technology of a solid core vinyl, this premium product is stronger and more resistant to expansion and contraction, with a higher heat and water resistance. Manufactured with a solid reinforced extrusion of PVC throughout ensures that the product is less susceptible to indentation and movement, unlike other Click flooring products. The 6mm tile thickness and 0.55mm wear layer gives greater durability, longer lasting performance, and a 20 decibel acoustic sound reduction. Amtico Click Smart provides an elegant and stylish look to your home, offering a variety of designs and colours in authentic wood or stone finishes, designed to suit every interior style. Before installation, you will need to store the product boxes for 24 hours in the room being fitted. This will allow the tiles to acclimatise to normal room temperature, around 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. If tiles have been stored within this range, then this time can be reduced. Amtico Click Smart can be installed over most existing hard floor or subfloor surfaces, such as ceramic, vinyl and linoleum, provided that it's in a reasonable condition and provides a smooth and level base without undulations or noticeable movement underfoot. It is important to ensure the floor is level. Any roughness or height changes can be smoothed using a leveling compound to ensure a good finish. It can be installed onto damp floors with up to 95% humidity and is suitable for use with embedded electric and water underfloor heating systems. Amtico Click Smart is extremely stable. However, we do recommend expansion gaps at the perimeter of the room and around all fixed objects. This expansion should be at least 5mm and can be concealed with the skirting or with a cover trim. Click Smart must remain a free-floating installation. Do not fix any items through the flooring. Check the style, colour, quantity of product and inspect for any damage. For a professional appearance, a floor should be balanced with even cuts at the edge of the room. This can be done by measuring the width of the room and working out how many full tiles are needed. The remaining measure can be balanced at either end. To ensure your Click Smart floor has the best appearance and stability, wood effect tiles should be fitted with random staggered joints with a minimum 200mm between short ends. For stone effect, tiles should be fitted in a brick pattern. A number of tools can be used for a simple and easy Click Smart installation. These include a jigsaw, flooring guillotine, or a laminate cutter. Alternatively, tiles can also be cut using a sharp knife and a metal rule. After careful scoring several times, the tile can then be snapped with 2 hands. The underlay backing will need to be cut through. Installation should always take place from left to right of a room. The first row of tiles should be placed against the wall with the tongue nearest the wall, cutting tiles to the correct width if required. The second tile should be aligned above and tapped into place with a mallet. Care should be taken to make sure they are exactly aligned and that the spacer bars are used to allow expansion. If the tile has been installed correctly, the board should slide easily along the groove whilst remaining locked in place. Sliding the tiles in this manner is also how you should uninstall the product. In this example, the first row needs to be laid in a door frame. After ensuring no cabling is concealed in this area, use a tile to measure and guide the level of undercutting required. The tile can be undercut with a hand or power saw. Continue to fit this row in the same manner. To begin the second row, cut the tile to required length. Angle the tongue of the new tile into the groove of the already fitted tile and lower into place while maintaining the previous layout. The next tile should be inserted at an angle, closely touching the previous tile in the row, then lowered into position. The end joint should be gently tapped with a rubber mallet to lock it into place. To ensure a tight join on the long edge, tap the tiles into place using an off-cutter flooring. Continue fitting full rows in this manner, keeping joints correctly aligned and ensuring the tiles are all properly connected. The last row of tiles should be cut to size, allowing the correct expansion gap, and fitted in the same manner. A pull bar can be useful for this final row of tiles. To cut around a radiator pipe, select a drill bit 10 mm wider than the width of the pipe. This will allow 5 mm expansion all around. Neatly drill a hole through the tile, cut through and remove a small section which can be glued back into place after the tile is positioned. To finish the installation, skirting or a trim can be used to cover the expansion gap and enable a neat finish. If the flooring is to be installed in two separate but adjoining rooms, the product should be broken at the doorway and a cover strip installed, which should allow for the same 5 mm movement gap beneath. To keep your Amtico floor looking immaculate, we recommend you use our range of cleaning products, all of which can be purchased from your local Amtico stockists. Amtico Click Smart can be walked on straight away after installation. With the exception of conservatories, Click Smart can be installed anywhere in your home, from bedroom to bathroom. Our 20-year residential warranty reassures our customers of Click Smart's proven quality. Visit amtico.com for further information about the Click Smart range. If more support is required, you can contact our technical services team.